Welcome in second series of this series of the lectures fluid machinery, the second session of the reciprocating pump. In this session we will discuss the effect of velocity, yes, effect of variation in velocity as well as variation in the friction. Then in detail indicator diagram, what are the effect of velocity, acceleration, then friction. Okay. So, all detail we are capturing in the indicator diagram. So, first we discuss what is the effect of variation in velocity and on friction. Okay. So, actually we discuss the pressure head. Before this we discussed the pressure head and we have calculated simply the pressure head, okay, this H A, the pressure head. Why A is acceleration, pressure head due to acceleration equal to L upon G, then A upon A, okay, then R omega, what is this, cos of theta, r omega square cos of theta. So, this one is the due to acceleration, yes, pressure head due to. So, if this is the suction pipe, this become Ls, area become S, because this constant, this is the same r omega square cos of theta. If this is HAD, so this become LD G A upon area of, yes, delivery pipe r omega square cos of theta. Yes. So, there is the variation of the theta, yes, in suction, yeah, theta 0, in middle theta 90, in end of stroke theta is 180. This one is the suction stroke. Another is the delivery stroke. So, this become 180, this become 270, this is the 360. We have discussed in the detail because this value at the beginning there is no effect of the HA. So, the HAS equal to 0, HA equal to 0 at the middle of stroke. This one is the similar. So, we discuss in the first session of the reciprocating pump. In this just we discuss what is the effect of friction. Effect of the friction, actually, if fluid is flowing in a pipe, any type of fluid flowing in a pipe, there must be friction losses. The friction loss is calculated by the Darcy-Weisbach equation. Darcy, and this equation is known as for the calculation for the major losses. So, using Darcy-Weisbach equation we calculate the major losses, yes, if fluid is flowing in a pipe. And that, what is that equation? That equation is the HF, yes, head loss, friction loss equal to 4F, yes, L this V square. Means this friction loss, head loss due to friction equal to 4F. This one is the coefficient of friction, this one is the length, velocity square. Means, so there is the function of a velocity, this one is the very important, velocity. And what is the nature? Nature is the parabolic. So, in case of the suction and delivery pipe, okay, in case of the suction and delivery pipe, what is the velocity? If you see what is the velocity? What is the velocity? We have calculated velocity is A upon A omega r sin of theta. We already calculated r omega sin theta. Means in place of V square, this is the velocity. So, the head loss HF must be equal to 4F L d into 2g, okay, a upon small a omega r sin theta this square. So, this one is the, if fluid flowing in a pipe, the major loss will calculated by Darcy-Weisbach equation, where F is the coefficient of friction, L is the length. We can mention also this is the small d, not means diameter of a pipe, we can say this is the small d, because all the time we are denoting small d in case of the suction and delivery. If this is the suction, this is S, this become S, this become okay. This one is the suction. So, the first is the HFS. HFS means head loss due to friction in suction pipe. Okay. Then 4F coefficient of friction, LS length of suction pipe, 2G into D. D means diameter of a, S means suction pipe, A upon A omega, this is the same. Similarly, in case of delivery pipe, in case of delivery pipe, similar, in place of S we can put D, HFD, 4FLD. So, this one is the similar. So, this one is the effect of friction, effect of friction in suction, effect of friction in delivery. How we calculated? Using Darcy-Weisbach equation. So, this one is the major loss, we are ignoring the minor loss, there is the so many loss. If fluid is flowing in a pipe, so there are the two type of losses occurs, one is the major, another is the minor. We are considering the major, major is calculated by Darcy-Weisbach equation, and this equation is HF equal to 4F L V square upon D into 2G. Okay. This F is the coefficient of friction, sometime 4F, this 4F is known as friction factor. This is the friction factor, friction factor. So, sometime if 4F introduce 4F, so the F become coefficient of friction. In this equation, F is the coefficient of friction. If this become F means friction factor. So, 4F become F dash, so this become friction factor. So, all the time we are considering the coefficient of friction, that is why we all the time we are saying this is the 4F. Okay. Do you follow my point? So, this one is there again. So, this effect variation again dependency is the angle theta only, dependency is theta, variation is the theta, because suction stroke, in case of the suction stroke, if you see suction stroke theta 0, 90 at the middle, end of stroke 180, yes. So, sin 0 become 0. So, HF at this point there is the means at the beginning of stroke, there is the no effect of friction. At end of stroke, at end of stroke sin 180 0, there is the no effect, and sin 90 that is 1. So, means this effect at this point, and what is this value? Because putting the HF sign is 1. So, this become HF equal to this equation sin 1, putting this value become 1, yes, sin 90. So, this equation. Okay. So, this at end of stroke, beginning stroke. So, where is the maximum? Maximum is at this stroke, at the middle of stroke. Middle, similar in case of the delivery, 180 similar cases, 180, 270 and 360. At this point no effect. So, this is S, this is S, this is D, this one HFD, no friction effect, and this is the maximum. So, it means at this point friction role is the means at the middle of stroke, the HF is maximum. So, this maximum value is this. This one is the maximum. If you see, this one is the maximum value. So, and what is the nature? Nature is the parabola. You see, what is the nature? Nature is the parabolic. Variation is the parabolic. Do you follow my point? Nature is the, so effect of friction, nature of the, effect of friction is the parabolic in nature. Yes. So, we have already calculated, So, so this one is the acceleration effect H A already L upon G A upon A R omega square cos theta. Okay. This equation, this one is the effect of acceleration. So, this because in this case theta, theta 0 at beginning of stroke, what is this? Theta 0 1. So, this friction effect, what is this? H A S for the section L upon G, L S upon G. So, A upon A S R omega square. Okay. This one is the positive, at this H A S is 0 because cos 90 at middle stroke cos 90 0 and this similar and become cos 180 minus. So, this H A S is with minus, same is the with minus sign. So, magnitude is the same with minus sign. Effect of acceleration is the at center is the 0, but in case of friction this effect is the maximum and initial at the beginning and end of stroke this is the 0. Clear? So, this one is the effect of acceleration, this one is the effect of friction, effect of acceleration, effect of friction. This what is the relation? Linear. Then ultimate is the indicator diagram. What is the indicator diagram? This one is the in the ideal situation, this is the plot between pressure head, because we have calculated the pressure head in the cylinder and the distance travelled by the piston from where? From inner dead center for one complete revolution. This is the condition, one complete revolution of a crank. So, this one is the graph, means the plot between a stroke, one complete revolution means one stroke. So, this is a graph between stroke length versus pressure head. Yes, because ultimate we discuss, in case of reciprocating pump, when the piston is at the initial position means velocity the 0 and middle maximum at the end of stroke velocity is again 0. So, there is the, in case of that there is the some acceleration and retardation. The first case 0 to 90 acceleration, then retardation. So, there is the, due to this acceleration there is the fluctuation of water, that water is lifting from the sump, there is the fluctuation. So, in case of the ideal indicator diagram, just this, by this diagram we can know the exact situation of the different effects, that effect is due to friction, due to acceleration, by simply drawing the indicator diagram. So, first we discuss what is the, so what is the indicator diagram? Indicator diagram is nothing but this is the a plot between pressure head in the cylinder and distance travelled by the piston from inner dead center for one complete revolution, means stroke length versus pressure head, means up to suction and completion of delivery, 0 90, 180, then 180, 270, 360. From 0 to 360 means suction and delivery, one complete revolution, a plot between stroke length versus pressure head. Okay. So, what is the ideal indicator diagram? Ideally, okay, because all the time we are calculating what is the ideal indicator diagram. Indicator is the plot between a stroke one pressure, then what is the ideal? We are assuming that in ideal, in the case of the ideal, because if you see this, yes, stroke length L versus this one is the pressure head, pressure head, pressure head, pressure head. So, in ideal diagram, in case of the ideal diagram, we know, we assume that this H s is the constant, lifting, yes, the sum pressure is the, yes, the liquid pressure is the below the atmospheric pressure, and this is the constant by representing by the line that is known as, one line is the atmospheric pressure line, this line, yes, atmospheric pressure line, we atmospheric pressure line, we can say simply atmospheric pressure line, H atmospheric, okay. Below this the suction, above this the delivery. So, this one is a simple H atmospheric, okay. This is the diagram. So, this one is the H s suction, clear. This is the H s, no, this is not, this is the H s, and this atmospheric, this one is the whole the atmospheric, H atmospheric, H atmospheric, and this is the H d, H d. So, this one is not, only this up to this one is the only H s, H atmospheric, because this pressure is the lower and this pressure is the above the atmospheric. We can say A, B, C, D, E and F. So, if you see in the realistic, it is not equal to all the time constant, but in the ideal, this is the ideal diagram, we are assuming this H s is the constant and that is the below the atmospheric equal to H s, below H s, and this line is the A B. Theta 0, if you see theta 0, middle 90, yes, this is the 90, this one is the 180. Okay. So, we can say this one is this stroke beginning, this is the middle, end of stroke, beginning of delivery, this one is the delivery, this one is the suction. So, beginning, middle, end of stroke. So, all we are, because this is the ideal diagram, we are not considering the, we are assuming this one is the all the time, yes, variation is the constant, no friction losses, no other. So, this one is the ideal diagram. So, if this is the ideal diagram, if this is the diagram, ultimate we know the what is the work done actually, work done by the reciprocating. Just remember what is the work done, if we rho g a l n upon 60 H s plus H d, H s plus S t, this is the work done. In the most of the cases, just see this work done equal to rho constant g, yes, a again only L n is again relation. So, we can say a constant k, we can say L because H s upon H d, and this constant k we can say this k equal to rho g a n upon 60, because these are not the variables. What is the variables? One is length H s and S t. So, ultimate what is this? What is this? So, this work is proportional to just this L H s upon H s into H d, you know. And what is this? This one is the length, and what is the edge? HS plus HD. In this case, what is the work? What is the L? L is AB. In this case, AB. In this case, AB. In this case, what is the work done? Yes, L. L is proportional to what is the L? L is the AB. What is HS plus SD? This BF plus FC. Proportional AB means length L into HS plus HD. What is this? This means area of indicator diagram. Means area of in this diagram is known as work done. So, this it is very simple, means if you want to calculate the work done by reciprocating pump, just draw the indicator diagram, and yes, area of indicator diagram become the work done. Okay. So, this work done by the pump, the area of, we can prove that the, then if you know this one is the ideal, what is the real diagram? Then what is the real diagram? In the real diagram, we discuss what is the effect of acceleration in the real diagram, because what is the ideal? This simple, just see ideal. This one is the, this line, this one is the ideal, just I am drawing the point. This one is the, yes, A, B, C, D. This diagram is the ideal indicator diagram. Now, just I want to see what is the effect? What is the effect? If you want to calculate the effect, first we check what is the effect of HAS. So, HAS, because we calculated HAS equal to L upon G or A upon A r omega square cos theta. So, at the beginning of a stroke, theta 0 at the beginning means when theta 0 HS. So, this one is the value, because cos theta is okay, this cos 0 is the 0. So, this one is the HS. So, HS is the positive value. So, this become, in place of this, HS goes to the HS positive, HS plus HAS, this value is the positive, because this one is the positive. Again it is lower than the pressure goes lower than the atmospheric HS, downward side. So, HS, so initial, this is the effect. In place of A, the new diagram become A dash. What about the middle of stroke? If you see the middle of stroke, there is a no effect of the friction, 0. So, this point remains same, 0. At the end of stroke, magnitude is the same, only the sign is the reverse. Magnitude is the same, only sign is the reverse. If sign is the reverse, then this one is the reverse of that, So, this area same as this area. If you see, both area is the same. Now, this diagram become A dash A. Similarly, and this, because positive is the this above the atmospheric pressure, plus we are adding HAD, no effect at the center, and this goes down, So, new diagram, the new indicator diagram become A dash, B dash, C dash, and now this one is the new indicator diagram. This one is the new indicator diagram. Before that, the A, B, C, D. Now, A dash, B dash, C dash or T dash. So, area, if we see the area wise, yes, the area of A, B, C, D is equal to area of A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So, this one is the real indicator diagram. In yes, it is same as the ideal indicator diagram area, but the effect at the different point is the different. At the initial, middle, end of stroke. At this side positive downward, no effect of friction upward, this side positive. Yes, in all the time we have to calculate it in term of the absolute one. If anyone can say what is the absolute at this point, H absolute. So, we can write H atmospheric minus H s plus H a s. This one is the in term of the absolute. At middle of, yes, middle is H absolute, H atmospheric minus H s. So, at different point the absolute pressure is the different, similar as the delivery stroke, similar as the delivery. So, there is the no effect of the work done, but the effect is the different at different points. Then ultimate the indicator diagram, what is the effect of friction? Yes, effect of the friction. Yes, we previous no, we have yes derived this equation. What is this? This is calculated by the Darcy-Weisbach equation, HF equal to 4 f L v square d into 2 g, and this velocity is what is velocity? V equal to a upon a omega r sin theta, because this one is the square term. So, nature is the this, nature is the parabolic means in the suction stroke, at the suction stroke, because this A B C D is the indicator diagram, yes. At the beginning stroke theta 0, no effect of the friction, at the friction HF S 0. At this point middle there is the some value, and what is this value? And this value is the calculated, this value is calculated HFS, and the value of HFS is the calculated, this one is the value of HFS, this value. Why nature? And again at the B point 0, and this nature is the parabola, this is the parabola. Similar in this case no effect, this one is the HFD, we calculated HFD, nature is the parabola. Okay. So, this one is the nature, means we are introducing two more area. If we see this additional area, because this area you know, area of indicator we know, we are two more area, this area delta equal to 2 by 3 L into HFS. This area we are, this delta 2, what is this? 2 by 3, this parabola area 2 by 3 length into HFD. So, this all about this work done, this area and both parabola adding. So, we get work done by the reciprocating pump. So, now we are covering the effect of friction, effect of velocity, then ideal indicator diagram, then real indicator diagram, what are the effect of the friction as well as effect of acceleration, and in next session we cover the combined effect of both. Thank you.